Okay, welcome to this slide. We're going to match the net, which is on the left-hand side, to the 3D figure, which is on the right. I have added some links in here where you can click on them and they will show you, we don't want the top part, you just go down to the bottom part here, a triangular prism. Over here it shows you what the net is. And if you hit play, it shows you how it folds up to the prism and how it folds right back down. So you can see the 3D figure and then you can see the net. The same thing with your rectangular prism. You can see the 3D figure, which is turning over here. Here's its net. It's going to show you how it folds up just like this. Boom, 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 just like a box. And these are the prisms. I also put a link in for the pyramid, and it's the same thing. You just click on it and it takes you to the same place, but it shows you how a pyramid folds up. And that way you can see how these different figures will fold up into the 3D shape. The other way you can do it is we can zoom in. So you can use your zoom feature and you can see the different dimensions, and then you can go over here and match those dimensions up. So like for instance, I have 3.5, and if you need to zoom in more to see it, you can. I have 3.5, and then I have this one down here that has a bunch of 3.5s. So I know that this net matches this 3D shape. So I'm going to come up here and I'm going to hit my line tool and I'm going to click and hold as I drag that line across just like that, and then I click off of it and there you go. You need to match the rest of the 3D, the rest of the nets to their 3D shapes. Again, you can do it by looking at the prism and pyramid links to see how they fold up together, or you can look at the different dimensions and then you can match them by finding those same dimensions over here on the 3D shapes. You need to use this line tool. You just click here, click line, find out where you want it to be. You're going to click and hold and then drag it however or wherever you want it to go. And then you just release it when you are done and it will make that line and that connection. So if you have any questions, let me know.